Today we about to see how much it costs to fill up an RT. Let's look at the mileage real quick. It's not too low, but hey, finna see how much it costs to fill up. So we had 81 miles, we right there. So we're gonna see how much it costs to fill up. Let's get to it. This should be, I guess it's gonna be like $45. So we about to see right now. That motherfucker's still going. God damn. Eating my money up like shit. She a thirsty girl, man. Super thirsty. Golly. Oh shit, I was wrong. I thought it was gonna be 45. That shit, $39. That's not bad. Not bad. About to see the range. See what the fuck I'm getting. So I got, oh, hold on. 337 miles. Not bad. At the best, I had like, one day I had like 380, 390, almost 400 range. But I know for a fact this shit finna go down instantly. Every fucking time.